Thanks for checking out the RH540M, the Bosch 1 9/16 SDS-max Combination Rotary Hammer. This is the RH540M right here. It's an SDS-max Rotary Hammer. It's a combination hammer, which means you're both drilling and chipping into concrete. Now this tool here has the best in-class impact energy, 6.1 foot-pounds. The reason for it is not only the hammer mechanism and the motor working so efficiently together, but it's also the SDS-max chuck. As that energy transfers from the motor, hammer, into the chuck, right into the concrete for best-in-class impact energy. The tool also has a variable speed dial, which means you can adjust the speed not only in drilling, but also in chipping mode to make you the most efficient as possible. Has a Vario-Lock feature, and that Vario-Lock means I can actually take that chisel and rotate it to any angle I'd like for the most comfortable work possible. The tool has a service minder brushes, which means that the tool helps protect itself and remind you when it's time to service and maintain the tool for the best performance over the life of it. Now this is an SDS-max version. There's also a spline version, the RH540S. It's a spline option you can get if you have those types of bits currently in your lineup. Now if you want to learn more about the RH540M, check out this page or check out the complete line of Bosch rotary hammers.